What's up guys, Jay here from Team WyldLyfe, WyldLyfe.com. It's been a long time coming, a year of very hard work, and I'm here to introduce to you something amazing. Come on, let's check this out. Welcome to WyldLyfe Studios. We have some amazing things happening this year. We're rolling out a whole new era for WyldLyfe.com. From contests, giveaways, product reviews, one-on-one interviews with professionals throughout the marine industry, including the boating, fishing, diving, and of course exclusive wildlife conservation videos with experts from around the country. Myself and the team here at WyldLyfe.com are super excited to bring you guys all kinds of amazing content this year. Don't forget to check us out on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and of course YouTube. We look forward to seeing you soon.